Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, the following topics will be covered. In this video, we shall learn how to do returns and what are the various ways to perform the returns in Axanta Point of Sales. So this is the POS layout. Now let's say a walk-in customer came and he had purchased these two products. Let's say this one and this one. So he has purchased these two products and he makes the payment for the same. So we'll click on cash payment, click OK, and now he has made the payment for these two products. Now after some days, the same customer visits and tells you that he wants to return one of the items that he had purchased and he wants to buy another item instead. But in this case, he has not got the receipt for which he had purchased the products. So in such situations, we will click on this return item button. Then we'll scan or select the product that the customer wants to return. So let's say he wants to return this product. So we'll select this, and now you can scan or select the product that he wants to buy in exchange of this product. So we'll click on this item search, and let's say he wants to buy this product, this bag product, in exchange of that product. So we'll select this. Now as you can see, this is the product that he wants to return it. So here there is a minus sign, and this is the product that he wants to buy in exchange of this product. Now as you can see, the price of this product is same, that is 12 KD. So here in the balance it is showing 0. So this means that the customer has no balance amount to pay. So in such case, to complete the transaction, you need to select this exempt amount option. So we'll click here and the receipt will be printed automatically and the transaction is completed. Now we shall see how to perform the returns with the help of the invoice. So let's start. So for this example, we have already created a transaction for the customer. So this is the receipt for the transaction that we have made for this customer Hamza, and as you can see, he has bought these 5 products. Now let's say after some days, this customer visits the store again and shows you this receipt and tells you that for this item, as he has purchased 4 quantities, he wants to return 2 quantities back. So in this case, you can scan or enter the barcode number as shown in the receipt. So for that, we'll click on the manager's task and we'll click on this return invoice button. So here you can scan the barcode or enter the barcode number as shown in the receipt. So in this case, we'll enter the barcode number and we'll click on find. Once you have clicked on this find button, so this wizard would get appeared. Now you can select the products that needs to be returned by selecting the products from here. Then you can click on this return button. You can also enter the item code or scan the barcode of the product that needs to be returned from here. So in this case, the customer wants to return 2 quantities of this product. So here we'll enter the item code of that product. We'll enter and click on search. So once you have clicked on this search button, this item would appear here. Then we'll select this item and click on return. Once you have clicked on return, this item would appear here on the screen, and as you can see, in the quantity and in the net amount, it is showing minus sign as this product is to be returned. Now, as you know, the customer wants to return only 2 quantities of this product. So we'll select here and we'll select on this set quantity option and enter 2 and click on OK. So now here the quantity has changed to -2 and the net amount has also changed. Now this minus 30 KD is the balance amount that we need to pay to the customer. Now if the customer wishes that he wants to buy some other products in exchange, then you can scan those products or search for that products with the help of this item search button. And if the customer does not want to buy any products in exchange, so then you can simply select the payment method and complete the transaction. So we'll select cash and we'll click on OK, and the transaction is completed. Similarly, you can perform returns from the show journal option also. So let's start. For that, click on the manager's task and click on the show journal option. Here you will see all the transactions that has happened through the point of sale. You can also search for the particular transaction by applying filters such as by date, type, staff, receipt ID, customer code, customer, and so on. So for this example, we will select this transaction that needs to be returned and we will click on this return button. Here we will select the product and click on return. Once you have clicked on this return button, this product would get appeared here on the screen, and here it would display that this is the return from this transaction ID from this store and this terminal. Now this is the balance amount that we need to pay to the customer. So we'll select the payment method. So select cash and I will click on OK, and the receipt will be printed and the transaction is completed. Now we can also perform returns by using the customer history option. So let's start. Now let's say this is a customer named Uzefa. So this customer comes and tells you that in this month he had purchased a product and he wants to return the same. So in this case, we'll click on this customer history button. Here you will get a complete history of the transactions that this customer has made. Here you also have the options of quick filters, like you can select current year, current month, week, last 7 days, today, yesterday, and you can select the date from and to manually also. So in this case, we'll select this current month. So here you will see all the transactions related to this month only. So let's say this is a transaction that he wants to return. So we'll click here and we'll click on this return button. Once you have clicked on return, this product would get appeared on the screen, and now if the customer wants, he can purchase the other products in exchange, or we can simply make the payment of 10 KD to the customer. So now we'll make the payment. So we'll select cash, click on OK, and the receipt will be printed and the transaction is completed. So these are the different methods through which we can perform the returns in Axanta Point of Sales.